Power up your English. Unlock adjectives with suffixes. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delving into an exciting topic, one that can significantly enrich your vocabulary and sharpen your language skills. We're talking about the importance of suffixes in forming adjectives. By the end of this video, you'll know why suffixes are crucial, how to use them, and you will have a toolkit of common adjective-forming suffixes at your disposal. Let's dive in. First and foremost, what is a suffix? A suffix is a letter or group of letters added at the end of a word to alter its meaning or function. When we attach a suffix to a base or root word, we can create new words, including adjectives. These little word parts hold a lot of power in shaping the words we use every day. So why are suffixes so important, especially in forming adjectives? Adjectives, as you may know, are words that describe or modify other words, making our expressions more precise and colorful. By using suffixes, we can transform words into adjectives, hence, expanding our vocabulary and giving us more ways to express our thoughts. For example, the noun, child, can become the adjective, childish, and the verb, beautify, can be transformed into the adjective, beautiful. Now, let's take a look at some common adjective-forming suffixes. Able, This suffix suggests that something or someone has the qualities or features described by the base word. Examples include comfortable, edible, and reliable. Full, it means full of or characterized by. Examples include wonderful, beautiful, and successful. Less, it indicates the absence or lack of the quality of the base word. Examples include careless, endless, and fearless. Ish. This suffix often suggests having the qualities of. Examples include selfish, foolish, and childish. Ooze. It implies full of or having the quality of. Examples include dangerous, gracious, and ambitious. Understanding and using these suffixes can significantly help you create a variety of adjectives from base words. To effectively use suffixes in your English communication, here are some tips. Remember the rules. Not all suffixes can be attached to all base words. For instance, we say joyful, not joyous. Learn with context. When learning new suffixes, make sure to understand them in the context of a sentence. It helps with both meaning and usage. Practice. Regular practice is key to mastering the use of suffixes. Try forming new adjectives with suffixes and use them in your daily conversations or writings. So there you have it, learners. That's the power of suffixes in forming adjectives. Remember, understanding and using suffixes can add depth to your language and make you a more fluent and expressive English speaker. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll notice a remarkable improvement in your vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.